Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is not receiving text messages or any notifications or whatever. So first thing first, just turn on airplane mode and turn off. That can help. If it's not, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press volume up button, then volume down button, then keep pressing power button. So let's see, volume up, volume down, and keep pressing about 5 seconds. Then do slide to power off. So now you'll see Apple logo in a few seconds. Yep. And wait until your iPhone is restarted. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.